Good morning, students. This is Mr. PJ Titus from Salem classes. Students, today we are going to discuss about type of letters and with samples. So, and this is for class 10th and 9th and also upper classes. So, let's look. You think that suppose you have to write a letter. Okay, how you want to appear? So it should be clear and consist. It should be interesting and easily understandable. So that means if you want to write a letter, that first of all you have to write that with clear, okay, and that should be interesting and understandable. Okay, so if you are writing something and that is not understandable, so that letter will be not considerable or that letter will be not considered. So in this way, you need to write the letter that is very clear and that should be very also that should be very, you know, that should be very clear and a clear concept. So in that way, I would like to tell you. So you have two kinds of letters are there. One is called formal letter, and another is called informal letter. So informal letter, so that is written to family members, friends, and to our relatives. But formal letter, that is official letter, suppose you want to write to your school principal and you want to write some to any other offices for applying of job, etc. So formal letter would be regarding of that. So especially the purpose of business and the purpose of coaching and joining in a school or joining in a service, in whatever way, if we are writing something in an official way, so we have to write the letter that is called a formal letter. So so how to write the letter? First of all, we need to understand, so first of all we will discuss about formal letter. And the formal letter, there is something, rules and regulation. Okay, so first of all, sender's address you have to mention there. Then after date, then also we need to write the date and sender's address. Then after name, designation of address, so we need to write the second this position, and that will be written to whom we are writing. Okay, to whom we are writing, we need to write his name, either designation, है ना, his name either designation, that thing we are write, we will write, and we write the address of the then also address after that. Then we need to write a solution. Then after we need to write subject, that format I will give you. Then body, sorry, in the body, introduction, content, and conclusion. There are three parts in the body of the letter. So finally we need to have concludes, yani close. So lastly, in the last way, we write sender's name, as well as we write the, and we put the signature also there. Okay, so then after we write, so this was the formal letter, and suppose we are inquiring about something. Okay, we are seeking admission in a coaching center, or we are seeking admission in a, that a school. Okay, so we need to write like this. This letter, so one sample letter I will show you, a letter of inquiry. As the name suggests this type of letter of source collecting information, people usually use a letter of inquiry as of the most used business letter or formal letter. A letter of inquiry help a person to have information like some course or job inquiry. So, price of service and products, term and order of working agreement, etc. One must always keep in mind. So, in this letter, so formal letter that will be considered for business letter, that will be considered for inquiry and for seeking job, either for seeking admission, etc. So here is when you write, so you need to remember that give a brief introduction about yourself. Okay, if it is possible, so you have to write the name of the organization. Then after, provide clear details about the area of inquiry. So for what purpose you are writing this letter, and what you are seeking and what you are searching and what you want to know, that you have to write very clearly. So present your queries and doubt in clear, understandable from mention the deadline by which you need the information. So there is a there is a letter that prepared. So you have to read this letter according to that way you have to write. So left side there is a page, and on the page you have to select the left side, and you leave some margin also. The ring road, Nagpur 01, November 30, 2020. To whom you are writing? The director, ABC classes, and 35 Patel Street, Delhi 18. So you are writing from ring road. Okay, if it is possible, you have to write your address. Then after you have written the date, now there is you have to leave some space from the sender address. Then you write the receiver's address over here like this. This is receiver address, and above that was sender's address. So then after you should start like this, dear sir. Then I will read for you subject inquiry about cat coaching classes. Subject may be different. Here is inquiry about cat coaching classes. If your subject is different, you can change your subject, and if your matter is different, and also you can change your matter also. In different classes, I will give you different letter. Okay, so today it is inquiry about cat coaching classes. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India for cat coaching classes. Remember one thing, if you got any idea from newspaper, then you have to write, or if you have seen any advertisement of the special organization, then you have to write like this. This is this is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India for cat coaching classes. I have passed the BSc degree examination with statistics as a main subject. I am keen to join your institute for the coaching classes. So like this, you have to write. Then finally, you write, and you have to salutation. Final time you have to write your salutation. So this is the sample of the letter, and the body also, and how to write the letter I also told you very clearly. I hope you have understood, and if newly you are watching, so please subscribe it, and press the bell icon. Thank you. May God bless you.